What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to disable professional mode on Facebook. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. If you're looking to switch off professional mode on your Facebook profile, the process is straightforward. Open up the Facebook app, select the menu icon at the lower right corner of your screen, and then tap on your profile at the top. While on your profile page, click on the three dots located to the right of the Edit Profile button. Once you click these, you'll see a drop-down menu with various options. Among these options, you'll find the toggle for professional mode at the end of the drop-down list, where you can easily turn it on or off according to your preference. Turning off professional mode will revert your profile back to its standard settings, removing any professional tools and insights you had access to while it was enabled. Remember, you can always switch professional mode back on if you decide you need those features again in the future. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.